I was unconsciously waiting for permission to change my life, and I didn't even realize it. I told myself I was being realistic, mature, and wise. I'd say, I'm not ready. I'll do it when I feel ready. When A, B, C are in place, then I'll do it. When I'm certain of the outcome, then I'll do it. But the truth was, I was waiting for approval from everyone around me before allowing myself to want the actual life I wanted. When was the last time you made a bold choice knowing it was going to ruffle some feathers? A choice just for you. A choice you knew you needed to level up your life.
Hi friend, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Cassidy and welcome back to Unpacking Life.
It's not easy, is it? Having to swim upstream or go against the grain. To have enough belief in yourself to go after your truth. Saying no to people when they expect you to say yes. Having difficult conversations, having to stand up for your beliefs and your desires. It takes an inner strength that may not come naturally to some of us. For some of us, it's a skill that must be learned, nurtured, and built an endurance for. And that takes a lot of energy. Because of that, it can be easy to slip back into ways of thinking that feel more natural, comfortable, and predictable. A way to justify why you aren't making choices and taking action toward the life you actually want for yourself. But now, as I look back, because everything's easier to understand in hindsight, I believe there were other reasons why I procrastinated. I was unconsciously waiting for validation, reassurance, approval, and support from the loved ones in my life. I was talking myself out of making bold decisions because I cared about what people would think, if they thought it was a good idea or not. Questioning if my choice is practical, and questioning if I'm even allowed to want these things. I realize now that I was living in a scarcity and need for belonging mindset rather than trusting in myself. What I realize now is that permission doesn't just look like asking, is it okay? Sometimes it shows up in my behavior. Like making choices based on how it will make the other person feel so that I don't disappoint them. Or making choices that keep me emotionally safe so I don't expose too much of myself. Or making decisions that look like I am in control so I seem capable on the outside. And that's all kinds of wrong because it held me back from aligning with my desires. It kept me disconnected from myself and the people who love me. And it sucked my time and energy. Now I understand that in order to grow, I have to stand out. It's not about fitting in anymore. It's about letting who I am evolve. And in order to do that, I need to make choices without asking permission. This may disappoint some people in my life. They may not understand. And this may be very uncomfortable and unfamiliar to me. It certainly won't fit into the box of expectations that I have created throughout the decades of my lifetime. Maybe some people are capable of doing this in the town or city that they grew up in, but not me. It was too hard for me to make big changes in my life living in the city I was raised in. Too many old routines, behaviors, and expectations for me to have to break through. It was too easy for me to stay the same. Moving to Bali has given me what I needed to break through my old ways. It's giving me space from all that was comfortable and familiar to me. It put a fire in my belly, a sense of importance to change. I couldn't be who I was back at home and live and flow here. That's way too much resistance. I had to change in order to live here, and that's what I wanted. That's what I needed. Something to kick my ass into gear to live differently, to get the fuck out of defense mode and into receiving mode. Now I feel much more excited about my life's direction. And I'm embracing the idea that I am in the driver's seat. I'm beginning to take myself more seriously and believe that what matters to me matters. My wants and needs are important enough to prioritize. And I don't need everyone around me to approve or understand my choices. It's time for me to be honest with myself about what I want and what I want to let go of, and what kind of life brings out the best in me. I'm choosing to be curious and open-minded instead of trying to control anything, because I can't control anything except myself anyway. I'm choosing to express myself, to let it out instead of hiding from the uncomfortable feelings. Of course, I'm not going to master this right away. There's a learning curve and I'm a work in progress. But I believe self-trust will come with each decision I make that is true to myself. It doesn't mean that I'm certain and I know all the answers, but it will keep me more connected to myself as I need less and less reassurance from others. Have you ever ignored what you wanted because you didn't want to disappoint someone? Or felt you needed approval or permission to make a bold choice? I think it's easy to normalize being disconnected from ourselves so that we can feel like we fit in and belong. So we can appear to be like everyone else. But at what cost? Sometimes the hardest part of making change in your life isn't actually making the decision, but it's giving yourself permission to do so. Think about it. Much love to you. Talk with you soon.